Hi everyone, our topic for today is all about relations and functions. So in this lesson, you are going to know what is a relation and identify functions in a relation. So let's start. A relation is a set of ordered pairs. So this example is an example of a relation. So in a relation, we have the domain. The domain is a set of all x values in the relation. So we have the -1, 0, 2, 4, and 9. These are the x values written in a set from the smallest to largest. So aside from domain, we have the range from the relation. The range is a set of all y values in the relation. We have -6, -2, 3, and 5. These are the y values written in a set from smallest to largest. So let's take a look for another example of a relation. So our relation assigns from x and y's. We have 1 and 6, 2 and 2, 3 and 4, 4 and 8, 5 and 10. So it can be written in 1 and 6, 2 and 2, 3 and 4, 4 and 8, 5 and 8. So that's it. That is the relation. So I know that you got it, and let's move on to function. So a function f from a set A to set B is a rule of correspondence that assign to each element x in a set A exact one element y in the set B. So matawag na nato siya na function if the element x in the set A has an exact one element y in the set B. So this example, have an example para masabtan yun og ayo. So in the set A, we have the domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The set B is the range. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 1, 4, 4 and 8, 2 and 2, 5 and 6, 3 and 10. So ang putra ni pasabot diriya is matawag na nato siya na function if ang set A has an exact one element in set B. So like in this example, so the set A, matawag na nato siyang function if ang set A must use all the set B must use all the x's. So gani 1, and the x value can be assigned to 1y. So no more x has more than y assigned and all x are assigned. So more nang and functions here. So let's take a look for another example. Another example. So this one. So yes, it is an example of a function because the explanation here, the second condition says that each x can have only one y, but it can be the same y as another x gets assigned to. So it is a function. Okay, si x are all assigned. Can you see? Set A, the domain, are all assigned. And the x value can only be assigned to one y. So it's a function. So let's another example again para masabtan. A good example that you can relate to is a student in our math class this semester are set A. The grade they earn out for the class is set B. Each student must have assigned 2 grades and can only be assigned 1 grade, but one but more than one student can get the same grade. So we want a lot of A's. The example show the previous screen and each student getting the same grade. So maragi hapon. So in this set, so the green is the domain and the blue is the range, the set A and the set B. So this example, can you identify whether it is a function or not? So yes, it is not a function. No, it's because each student must be assigned grade and can only be assigned one grade. So as you can notice here, the 2 was assigned both 4 and 10. So that's illegal. So hindi siya function. Kasi dapat ang one student assigns in one grade only. So another example. Check this relation out to determine its function. So we have the set A, the domain, set B is the range. So we have 1 and 6, 4 and 4, 2 and 2, 5 and 10. So help me to identify whether it is a function. So is it a function or not? It is not. 3 didn't be assigned to anything. Comparing to our example, a student in math must receive grade. So, bisan pa og 70 na siya or 60, deserve niya na makuha yung grado. So, the set A, the domain, and the set B is the range. So, the range must use all the domain, and the x values can only be assigned to one y. So, it is not a function because 3 didn't get assigned to anything. So, another example also. So, this one. So, this is fine. Each student gets only one grade. More than one can get an A, and I don't have to get the D's. So, all Y's don't need to be used. So, this example is a function. So, that's it. So